Hi everyone, summer's here and that means backyard barbecues. So here are 4 easy summer barbecue salad ideas that are sure to be the hit at any barbecue. Now let's get started with our grilled zucchini and red pepper salad. First we need to slice our shallot into rings. We're going to save half of this for later and then we're going to chop the other half into really small pieces. Then chop up our garlic cloves. Then we just need to get our oregano off the stem and then chop it up. If you don't have any fresh oregano, just double the amount of dried oregano. Fresh cracked black pepper and kosher salt. Then pour in your balsamic vinegar and olive oil. I like making my vinaigrettes in mason jars. They're really easy to mix, and if you don't use it all, it's already in a container to put in the fridge. Now let's cut up our vegetables. I'm using zucchini and red peppers. If you have any other vegetables that you already have grilled, feel free to use those. We just need to cut the zucchini into squares and then our peppers into thin strips. Cut the endive into rings about the size of your pinky, and then you want to look for the core at the end of it and just pick those out. Now we can julienne our radicchio. Then cut the frisée and then separate the leaves. Now just add the half shallot that we set aside and drizzle with the vinaigrette. I'm using about half the recipe that I made. Plate our salad and then we just need to top it with some feta cheese. This salad is smoky from the grilled vegetables, crunchy from the greens, and salty from the feta cheese. Now we're going to make our cucumber, cherry tomato, and pickled red onion salad. Let's start by cutting our cucumbers into rings and then we're going to cut our cherry tomatoes in halves. Now we can pick our herbs. I'm going to use basil, mint, and dill. A good time saver is to stack all of your herbs together, roll it up, and then just make a cut and it's all ready to go. Cut our shallot into rings. Now add the pickled red onions. I'll leave a link in the top right corner for my video on how to make pickled red onions. Chop our garlic cloves. Add some fresh cracked black pepper and kosher salt. Now we just need to add in our red wine vinegar and olive oil and then mix everything together. I like to let this salad marinate for like 15 to 20 minutes before I serve it, just to give it time for all the flavors to kind of mix together. This is a nice light, crunchy, crispy salad that goes great with anything. Now let's make the shaved Brussels sprout and toasted almond salad. Start by slicing our shallot into rings and then set half aside for later. Chop half of the shallot up and then add it to a mason jar. Zest a lemon for the lemon vinaigrette. The lemon zest has all the essential oils in there. It's going to have a little bit different lemon flavor. And then just cut the lemon like this and then squeeze in the juice. Add in the black pepper, kosher salt, and our olive oil. Screw on the lid and give the vinaigrette a couple shakes. Now to shave our Brussels sprouts. I'm using a mandolin, and I do it pretty thin. Just be careful when you do this, they are known to take off your fingertips. Julienne our radicchio. Add in half the shallot sliced into rings. Add in the baby spinach, kale, toasted almonds, and all of the vinaigrette. Mix everything together. The last thing we need to do is use a peeler on our parm to get these nice wide ribbons. This is a nice light crunchy salad that has nice texture from the almonds and the saltiness from the cheese. The last salad we're going to make is an arugula, endive, and pecorino salad. Let's start by zesting and juicing our lemon. Chop up our shallots and add it to the mason jar. Add in our toasted sesame seed, olive oil, kosher salt, fresh cracked black pepper. Put on the lid and give it a shake. Now for our greens, we want to start by julienning our radicchio. To julienne the endive, you just want to cut off the end, peel off the leaves, and then cut into thin strips. For the olives, I'm just cutting out the seed. If yours don't have any seeds, then just cut them into rings. Now just add in your arugula, and then shake your vinaigrette one last time, and then add in the whole thing and mix everything together. And then just top the salad with some fresh grated Pecorino cheese. This is another light summer salad. It gets a little pepperiness from the arugula, saltiness from the cheese, and brininess from the green olives. Thanks for watching my video on Summer BBQ Salad Ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite summer salads are. See you next time!